Welcome to the presentation on the Artec Leo 3D scanner from Artec, based in Luxembourg in Europe. You can see a photo here of a guy operating it. It's a handheld unit. Everything's self-contained, the power supply, the computer, everything's built into the handheld scanner, so it's very easy to operate and use. So we're just looking at some sample data sets we've collected here. There's frog number 1. So it was measured in, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, not very long. So you can see the level of detail. The resolution of the scanner is 0.1 of a millimetre. So that's the level of detail that it can get down to. We can render it at different scales. So there's measuring tools inside the software to go and measure a distance, 2.3 meters. There's other tools in here for doing things like creating cross sections. Let's go on the plane. So you can generate, single or multiple cross sections, through the data, and this can all be exported, these sections, as DXFs for going into AutoCAD for taking more precise, or other CAD packages, for taking more precise measurements of the sections. It's got a 3D heat map capability, where if you scan this area once and go and scan it again next month or next year, you can overlay the two data sets and see the comparison or the difference between the two. So for example, this one here, I'll just make a copy of it and show you what I'm trying to say. We'll just go and create a defect on this part here. So I'll just go and create a bit of a hole in the rail there. So you can see now I've got my, I've created a bit of a patch there. So if we go and have a look at these two surfaces, pretending they were collected on different days. Oh, sorry. So you can see the degree of the difference between the two surfaces. So you can see in the green area here, there's no changes because I've just made a copy of the same model. But you can see I've edited the copy of it, and you can see the difference there in millimeters on the screen. And these can all be saved and exported and so on, these heat maps showing you 3D inspections. So I'll just go and show you quickly some of the other frogs that we measured. So again, it only took several minutes to go and scan this particular area. You can see the marks and gauges on the rail there. It's pretty severe. Give you a size of the area. Just under 4 metres. Let's go and have a look at the next one. Size of this one. Just under 5 metres. And we'll just have a look at the last one. Of 4. A bit of a bigger work area here. Just under 8 metres long, this section of area that we've measured, so much bigger. If we just zoom in a bit here and have a look at some of the detail that we've collected. So you can see there's some pretty severe wearing going along that section. So anyway, this is just a brief overview and an introduction to what we can do with the Artec Leo. So thank you very much for listening.